Welcome to the Bite-Sized Security Podcast, your source for practical online security advice. Join me, my guests, and sometimes my trained AI voice as I explore ways to protect your digital footprint against the growing cyber threats. From mastering better passwords to understanding encryption and VPNs, the Bite-Sized Security Podcast breaks complex topics into clear guidance. It's time to take control of your online presence. You're listening to the Bite-Sized Security Podcast, unlocking solutions for your digital life. Let's get to it. AI isn't coming for your job. It already took the one you're about to apply for. Entry-level hiring is down 44% since 2022, and this year alone, it dropped another 16%. The rapid rise of AI is leading companies to rethink how entry-level roles are structured. Many are automating routine tasks or delaying hires altogether to see how AI reshapes their workflows. Here's what that means for you. AI is replacing the repetitive, slow parts of work. Companies don't need as many assistants, analysts, or coordinators as they used to. So they're reevaluating who they hire or whether they hire at all. So you've got two choices. You can compete against AI or learn to use it to do your job faster than anyone else. Hiring managers are overwhelmed with applications, but they're also asking, can this job be done faster, cheaper, or automatically? And more often than not, the answer is yes, if they plug in the right AI tools. This isn't about replacing people, it's about replacing outdated manual workflows with smarter, faster systems. So here's what to do. Pick one AI tool. Learn it until it saves you an hour a day. Make it part of your resume and your routine. Because if someone else can do your job twice as fast with AI, they'll get hired, they'll get promoted, they'll get paid more. And in some cases, AI will replace you, not because you weren't good, but because the work didn't need a human anymore. So either you learn to use the tools or risk getting replaced by them. Thanks for listening to another episode of Bite-Sized Security, the quick-hitting podcast serving bite-sized tips to boost your online safety. We covered a lot of ground today and easy-to-digest nuggets of practical cybersecurity advice. If you want to learn more ways to protect your data and identity online, be sure to subscribe for future episodes. We'll continue breaking down complex security topics into straightforward guidance anyone can apply. Visit our website, bitesizesecurity.show, for recaps and show notes from all of our podcasts. We hope these bite-sized cyber lessons have given you new tools in your digital security toolbox. This is your host signing off until next time. Stay safe in the digital world. You've been listening to Bite-Sized Security.